Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for your support to my channel, and let's grow together. Namaste! So I have my first FeetUp Trainer arrived, guys. I'm very truly cheerful and also exciting to unboxing and try it on my own inversion. FeetUp Trainer is a stool which you can use to support your head, neck and also spine while you are practicing your inversion without any pressure.
I've been thinking to purchase this stuff for a while ago, and because the price is a bit higher, so I just wait. And yeah, finally I got this. And for your information, the delivery to Australia is free, and it doesn't take a long time to deliver.
Okay guys, let's take a look what's inside the big brown box. Oh, this is the like practitioner manual. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the main things. You got poster, the stuff, and it's all the house. Don't forget to recycle. So basically I only have 5 pieces of the item. I need to assemble them together. Okay, and 2. Oh, so this is like a chair. This is like a, maybe when you have a talent maybe for this stuff. So this is where you're gonna put your neck to support your neck when you do inversion. Okay, let's put that together. I don't know what this one for. Another yoga stuff, another manual things. But I'm still understand why they put it right. Oh, okay. So, yeah, this thing here, the card box, it can help me when I support my my gadget when I put it underneath here. When I finish all, I'll show you guys. Okay, makes sense.
I got all the screw here. Need to read the manual. Oh, I wish I have my husband here.
I have to make sure that all the items going in the correct place for setting. Uh-oh. I finally can unscrew the incorrect. Instead of the short one, I screw the long one. Anyway, that's why I need my glasses. Right, back to square one. Guys, sorry guys. This will be easy. No wonder I said, why I was so struggling. It's supposed to be easy assembly. So when you assemble something, you need feeling sometimes. When things going wrong, you can feel it. Why is it so hard? Like, not looking. Just try that first. Move to the second one. I almost broke the leather here. I feel sorry for you. Now it's testing time. It's very guys, as you can see, I completed my task here, and this guy, so the functional is to hold the gadget on your feet up. Because they also have an app, so this to hold your looks like this, like holding your things. Alright guys, as you can see, this is my masterpiece. It took me around 20 minutes to put those 5 pieces together. It's including the incorrect screw drama. Looking good guys. Everything is installed and I checked the safety by myself. It is very good idea. It's coming with the poster, so we just hang on the wall. And now time to practice. With the FeetUp Trainer, I'm able to move freely into my upside down world at any time and anywhere without worry, and I feel very calm after complete the flows. The stool is safe on hold my body weight, not only for myself, but I also asked my husband to try it on, and yeah, he feel comfortable when he doing inversion. Hope you guys enjoy the video and it give you an idea how does it work if you want to do inversion with support help from FeetUp Trainer. Thank you for watching guys. Take care. See you next time.